Nile Republic. This guy is going to die for nothing. This guy is going to die, my dear. And I really feel sorry for him. Nile Republic. This is what I was telling you last time. The issue is not BALAALO. But the government, I think they understand it very well. If me as a civilian who can think about it, then now he has actually sounded it very well. Nile Republic. This is what you guys have been fighting for, and now I've really found out really. The issue is not all about BALAALO. The issue is all about creating your own country, and uh, and I think it may cause a lot of problems to this guy. I love him. That guy, I like him, but sometimes I criticize him. He seemed to be a very good guy, but no. When it reaches the system of creating another country into Uganda, and then that's a problem. Like the way Bakonzo wanted Rwenzururu. You see that saga of Kasese. It wasn't only that incident you saw. No, they were trying to create their own also country, which is also in the middle. You know, a lot of Bakonja they are in Congo, so they wanted also to cut this one, Mumbari and his people, and also created their own country there. So and this is what you guys have started. It is going to cause a lot of problems, and it's not good. If this guy is wise, if he's wise, really, he need to take care of himself. Because I love him and I do. We don't want to lose him. He seems to be a very good philosopher, like he says. But I think where he has entered now, he has crossed the red line. He has crossed the red line. And I never expected that he can also say a certain word of Nile Republic. No. That is maybe his agenda. It's going to cause a lot of havoc in it. And they are watching him daily. This guy need to take care for sure. We like him and we don't want to lose him. We like him. I like him. I myself, I like him. He's a good guy. But the issue, what I've seen, is not all about BALAALO. No. If you can say that you can come and own a business in Uguru and buy a plot in Uguru and you cannot buy land, where is the difference? People have different opinions of business. You may be a carpenter, you buy a plot there, you put your industry for carpentry. That is your business decision. And me also, there are those who own land. There are those. It's not all that all lands are customary, like he has said. There are those who own their own land and they have their own land. They have their own titles. So if you decide to sell me a land, where can you really tell me that I need to vacate that land? It's communal. Yet the land already has its title. This guy also needs to revise whatever he's saying. But that word of Nile Republic, it is going to cause a lot of problems for him. Trust me.